Hey, what's up? Today I'm gonna be unboxing some items I got from Banggood. Let's check them out. First, see this one. Get these things out of the way first. Let's get these bags first. So, I believe these are motors. Let's check them out. Yep, so we have some Racerstar 2205s, 2300 kV, and they're going to be purple. I got them from the LA warehouse. It came within a couple of days. It was really fast. Wow, they're beautiful. See the other one. Yeah, perfect. Wow. All right. I got these motors because I'm a noob, and I was practicing over cement, and I just broke the wire on this motor. Here, I'll pull. See, like, it just came off. I have no idea how to fix that. The motor's fine. It's just that the wire came off. It's fucked. Yeah. Here we go. Now we got here some motor clips to help us grab onto the motor. Check it out. Wow. Very nice. These came from United States warehouse too, but it took a while to get here. It took about a week and a half. Not too long, but they're actually very nice. Should come in real handy. I got them for like 10 bucks. Really recommend them. Okay. Here we have a box. There we go. I think this is a battery. We got a 465C 1400 milliamp hour battery. Here, looks good. These are also batteries. These guys took about a month and a half to get to me. And here we have it. After a month and a half. Charger, 4 batteries. Alright, see you guys later.